Hello, let's continue our Sudoku adventure with ZagZig by Riffclown. So we have normal 6x6 Sudoku rules, so in each row, each column, and each 2x3 box, we are placing the digits 1 to 6 exactly once each. These lines are also palindromes, so digits filled in a line read the same forwards and backwards. So say this was 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, I guess. Then it needs to be the same forwards and backwards, so it reads 1, 2, 4, 6 this way. It needs to read 1, 2, 4, 6 this way. That doesn't work. I didn't think I was going to find one that worked just magically, but you can see we can read it this way: 1, 2, 4, 6, 4, 2, 1, and this way is the same: 1, 2, 4, 6, 4, 2, 1. So little hint here is the digits that are equidistant from the center are the same digit, and that's going to be forced because of how the palindrome works, and that's why it's called a palindrome, right? Because if you think about a palindromic word, it's the same, works the same way. First and last letter are the same, second letter and second and last are the same, etc. All right, and that's it. Those are the rules. There's a link in the description if you'd like to try the puzzle yourself, and I'm going to get started right now. We get an immediate 2 placed here. I'm going to color this just so that I know what's what. So green here and green here. This is purple and this is purple. I'm going to be careful with the colors a little bit, because I only want to introduce a new color if I know that it's distinct from all the other colors. Otherwise I get very confused and I scan poorly. So this digit here we know is not purple, but it could easily be green. It's one of 2 that could be green. No, it cannot be green. Right, so if we look at this box, this definitely can't be green or purple. So we can call that orange, and then that goes here. Now this digit doesn't have a clone somewhere, so we're not going to bother giving it a color. The center one doesn't clone. And then these are called 2, so we don't need to worry about that. Now, orange could be 2, but green cannot be. Okay, so I don't quite know what's going on there yet. Should we look at this palindrome next? So we know that one of these 3 is the orange. Let's see. These are not purple or green. They could be orange. Right, I'm hesitant to mark this one up until we know. Okay, so this must be the green or the purple. And it also goes here as a green or a purple. I'm not sure if that's helpful exactly right now. There might be something like easier to look at here. So for example, we know a little bit about purple and orange. We know they're not 1, 4, and purple's also not 2 because of this box. So besides 1, 4, we have 2, 3, 5, 6. And so we know orange can't be 5 or 6 if you look at these reds. And then purple can't be 2 or 3. All right. Now what about green? Green can't be 2 or 6. So it's down to 1, 4. It can't be 3 either. Yeah, it's not 2, 3, or 6. So it's down to 1, 4, 5. All right. We know this isn't 1, 2, or 5. So it's down to 3, 4, 6. Oh, it's not 3 either. Oh, and it's not 6. Okay, so this is a naked 4, right? It can't be 1, 2. It can't be 3. We're looking at these digits here. Here, I'll mark them really quick in blue. The blue digits, right? They're not 1, 2. They're not 3. They're not 5, and they're not 6. So they can only be 4. So we can just call that 4. We don't need to call it blue. 4 looks down into here. This is the only place for... Oh, sorry. 4 could be here. So 4 is one of these. Sorry. Green is 4. I don't know how I misread that. All right. This 4 looks in, this 4 looks in, this 4 looks in. The green has to be 4. We don't need to call it green anymore. All right. So what's left here? We need the 3, 5, 6. That's not a 6, so 6 is up here. Here we need 1, 2, and 6. That's not a 2. So this translates to here as 1, 2, 6. And this goes here. It's not a 1 though. So this is naked 6. And so then purple is 5. Don't have to call it purple anymore. That's not 6. That's not 6. That's not 6. Okay. This is 1 or 2. This is 1, 2, or 3. 6 in this row goes here. Places that 6. This is 2 or 3, not a 2. So this is 3, and then orange is 2s. All right. So we get the 1 and the 2 and the 1 and the 3, and we get 5 and 3 and 2 here. All right. Now we can just finish. So these 2 are the 1, 5. So That's 1, that's 5. Down here we need the 3, 4. So that's 3 and 4. Here we need the 3 and 6. So that's 6, 3. Down here we need the 5. Up here and here we need the 1. All right. Cool puzzle, Riffclown. I think it was just careful looking for naked singles mostly. And just keeping track of unique digits that were doubled up. I don't know if my strategy was the cleanest one, but it certainly got us to the solution. All right, let me know how you did. And if you enjoyed this, why don't leave a like, subscribe, and a kind comment below.